Hi guys, Rhiannon here from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries here. Today I'm going to be talking through the features of the Flaming Coals Premium Pizza Oven. Now as you can see, how beautiful does this thing look? It's going to look amazing in your outdoor kitchen. Now, if you take a peek inside, you've got quite a generous cooking area here. Simply put your fire towards the back of the oven and you'll easily be able to fit 2 large pizzas at the front, and if you wanted to squeeze a third in, you could also put one at the back there. It's got the door on the front to help keep the heat in, which is incredibly important when you're cooking things like roasts or bread. If you're cooking pizzas, you'll probably keep the door off. On the right hand side here, we have a temperature gauge. Now that's quite important so you know what the temperature is inside of your oven. Make sure that you've got that to 400 to 450 degrees when you're cooking that perfect crisp pizza. Now it comes complete on a stainless steel stand, and once you've got the pizza oven on the stand, although it weighs over 200 kilos, it's on wheels, it's super easy to move around your backyard if needed. You'll notice at the top we've got a stainless steel flue with the adjustable flap. That'll help you regulate both heat and smoke. Now the great thing about this premium pizza oven is the amount of insulation that it has. So it's double walled, you've got the outer layer and the inner layer, and inside you've got a whopping 10 centimeters of fiberglass insulation. That means you're going to use less wood, your oven's going to stay hotter for longer, and it's not going to get as warm on the outside. Overall, this is an amazing premium pizza oven at an even better price. It doesn't take up too much room in your outdoor kitchen, about 1 meter by 1 meter square, and as I said before, it's easily movable. So if you're looking to create some magical meals for your family, whether it be roasts, breads, desserts, or anything else you can imagine that you'd normally cook inside your kitchen oven, you can certainly do that in this wood-fired oven for that authentic Italian taste.